Hello. Now is the part of the day that we sing silly songs with Adam. The part of the day where Adam sings a silly song. Here we go. Now you see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. Go on and sing to the whale. What? Sha-la-la-la-la-la, why oh my? You're dying to try to sing to the whale. Whoa, whoa. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, don't think twice, it'll be so nice. Come on and sing to the whale. Sing to the whale. Sing to the whale. Thank you, it is me, Sir Pepe Le Pew, the pig, and that is my song. I stole it from another artist, and I am... I was in here too. Oh, of course, I was singing to the whale. But anyway, thank you. 'Tis my day to sing to you. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, boy. Thanks for the song.